Hello, good morning to everyone. Myself KSSI. I am from Mechanical Department. My topic is on motivational speakers and their impacts on younger minds. The first main focus on introduction of motivational speakers. Motivational speakers inspire individuals for a personal and professional growth. They use their life experience and stories to connect with their audience. Their messages often focus on overcoming obstacles and achieving a successes of their, and that will impact on engagements in right situations. The role of motivational speakers serves as a guides helping engagement navigate and challengings. They will create a path for the engagements to achieve their goals. They provide a particular advice and strategies to the youngers. Their role often extends beyond speaking to mentoring and coaching. Understanding youngspins. Youngspins are impersonably and engagements are impersonable and receptive to new ideas and perspectives. They are often in search of purposes and directional to their lives. Motivational speakers can a crucial role in shaping their aspirations. Impressionable on engagements. The power of storytellings. The motivational speakers you should delightfully follows the main of their focuses. The power of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool used by the motivational speakers to enhance the audience the personal creativity, reliability, and emotional connection with their youngs. Stories can illustrate complex concepts in a simple and relatable manner. The way of inspiring or impacting a young's minds, which depends on the motivation and path of the way you are speaking, and that creates the impactful role on younger minds, can change their ideological thinking, building confidence. And it is one of the motivational concepts that bringing up a confidence to the youngers for their future goals and achievements. It is the major concept of impacting the motivational speakers for their impactful life. Motivational speakers encourage young people to believe in themselves. They share techniques and overcoming self doubts and building self enthusiasm. Increased confidence can lead to a better performance in various areas of lives. Some people can't believe in themselves until someone else believes in them first. Goodwill hunting. Promoting positive mindsets. A positive mindset is an essential for success and relations. Motivational speakers teach young minds how to cultivate optimism. They often share strategies for reframing negative thoughts into a positive ones. It is one of the major crucial aspects that motivational speakers that prompt a positive environment to the youngest minds, that their way of path they are planning and advising the youngest, that should be in a positive way, that this goes to an a success and relations. Cultivative optimizations of a motivational speakers, they can impact the more on their achievements, and they will create a one of the positive achievements for their future advisors or future succeeding goals. Encouraging goal settings. The encouraging of an younger minds for their achievements and their tacticals for the upgrowing way. Goal setting is a fundamental aspect of a personal development. Motivational speakers emphasize the importance of setting smart goals. They provide frameworks that helps younger individual maps out their aspirations. Goal setting. Preservation, the importance of encouraging of goal settings. It's already impacts on smart goals, and they provide frameworks that helps in individual map out their aspirations. The fundamental aspects of personal development. The goal setting first of the youngest minds that should first they have to path their goal for the achievement future achievements. They have to decide the one of the goal that he can achieve, and inspired by the some of the motivational speakers. The importance of preservance preventions is a key aspect of achieving long-term goals. Motivational speakers highlight the stories of their individuals who overcome the inspire young minds to embrace the challenges and opportunities for the growth. The impact of role models. Role models play a significant part in shaping younger minds' beliefs. Motivational speakers often share their own journey to survive as an example. Younger minds can learn valuable lessons from their experience and others. The motivational speakers crucially import their key points from the role models. They create the impact on younger minds that he have already achieved with their base base to a standard level. They will inspired from them, and they will import their ideas through the younger minds. It is the basic function of a motivational speakers that impact the younger mind for a positive achievements. In this way, there is a positive and negative disadvantages of overthinking communications, and overthinking ideology builds on a younger minds for their goals and achievement success of period. Forecasting emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a crucial for personal and professional successes. Motivational speakers often teaches young people how to manage their emotions. They encourage the empathy and understanding in interpersonal relations. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a capability of individuals to recognize their own emotions and those after offers describe between different feelings and label them appropriately. Uses emotional information to guide thinking and behave their manage and adjust the emotions to adapt the environment or achieve one of the goals. Computational of emotional intelligence. Self-awareness, self-management, social skills, empathy, and motive. These are the crucial awarenesses that self-awareness should be there for the youngest minds, and self-management, social responsibilities, empathies, and motive for the goal. Overcoming future and failure. Fear and failure. Fear and failure can hinder younger minds for pursuing their goals. Motivational speakers helps reframe failures as a learning opportunities. They encourage young people to take calculated risk in their endeavors. Fear kills more dreams than failure where will. Cultivating a Growth mindset. A growth mindset for Forest is a love for learning and resilience. Motivational speakers encourage young people to view challenges and opportunities. They emphasize the effects and presence lead to improvement and successes. The emphasizes the effects and pre-sentences lead to improvement and successes of a growth mindset. The role of communicate the role of community and support. Accountability is an essential to personal growth as well as team growth. How can you improve if you never wrong? If you don't admit a mistake and takes responsibility for it, you want to make a someone again. Continuity support is essential for personal growth and development. Motivational speakers often stress the importance of surroundings of oneself with positive influence. They encourage young minds to speak, mentors, and supportive network. Influence and technology. Top 10 motivational speakers on YouTube. Technologies can amplify the reach of motivational speakers. Online platforms allow speakers to connect with global audience. Younger minds can access motivational connect with anytime and anywhere. Measuring impacts. Challenges faced by young minds. Diversity in motivational speakers. Failures in motivational speakers. Measuring impacts. The impact of motivational speakers can be challenging to quantity. Survey and feedback for young's audience can offer insights into effectiveness. Success stories and testimonial can highlight the positive influence on individuals. Challenges faced by young people today faces a unique challenges including mental health issues. Motivational speakers addresses these challenges openly to provide support. They are offering coping strategies and resources for dealing with stress and anxieties. Diversity in motivational speakers. A advice range of speakers can resonate with different audience. Representational matters as a young minds benefits from seeing varied experiences. These perspectives can enrich their messages covered by motivational speakers. The failure of motivational speakers. The landscape of motivational speaking is involved with new trends. Virtual events and online courses are increasingly popular format. The failures will likely to see a great emphasis on mental health and well-being. Let's get down to a business. And the final conclusion, empower the mindset, empowering the minds, empowering the lives. The influence of a motivational speakers on young minds can be profound. They empower individuals to pursue their dreams and overcoming challenges. The lessons learned from motivational speakers can last the lifetime. Call to an action. Young individually should speak out motivational speakers that resonates with them. Engaging with motivational connect as can inspire positive changes in their lives. It essential to apply the lessons learned to forest personal growth and developments. Conclusion lasting impacts. Thank you.